Okay, in next 5 to 10 minutes we will see how to create excellent graph using NumPy concept. So already I have created the code for this. So the first step is import NumPy as enp. Remember, the first step is import NumPy as enp. Import NumPy as enp. Import Matplotlib.pyplot as plot. Remember, these are the three important things you have to write in your code. And here, as I have to plot the graph already, for that you have to write these two lines. Okay, these two lines. Afterwards, for panda, add this line also. So already I have created these graphs in last lecture for NumPy. Let us switch to NumPy array using NumPy. How to create NumPy array? np.array is the command which create that NumPy array. So already on x-axis number of students, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y-axis you can consider their marks, okay, physics marks. When you run the code, you get this graph. You can modify the code. I make 100 to 10, then this 10, 55. You can see the graph. Okay, graph got changed. Or in another way, you can write like this also. If you want to make this syntax more easy, what you can do? I just write here a equal to. Okay, I create a roll number array. This is a roll number array. Okay, and second is physics array. Physics array. Okay, this is the physics array. And I copy this code equal to, and what I have to do simply instead of this statement, okay, what I do instead of this statement I add plot dot plot in bracket roll number comma physics array, and I run the code. Okay, I run the code. Now see what happens. I get this array. Clear? In the same way, I can create the chemistry array, math array. Just make it to chemistry array, and I just make the changes like 11, 20, 30, okay, 40, 50, and for chemistry array, physics, chemistry, this is the math array, and I suppose for math I write suppose 6, 8, 4, 5, 9. Okay, so what I have to do, same thing, control C, control V, sorry, control V, I am plotting roll number here, chemistry array, and same for math array. Okay, and I run the code. You can see this is the physics array, chemistry array, math array. Then I can give here the name. Okay, I can give the name here plot.x-axis, y-axis. So you can take the input dynamically from the user also. You can see my YouTube video, Python, Balaji Shetty on YouTube. Okay, so next slide is same. I have taken the roll number, but here plot array. Okay, same example I have taken. Next code, you want to print sine wave with NumPy. So the command is np.linespace 0, 10, 100, np.linespace sine wave. Okay, and plot this graph. You can just check it 0, 10, 100. You can even change the interval from 0, 10 to 0, 5, 100, 50. Okay, just run the code, and I just make the same changes here, and in this way you can get this. Okay, values are not proper, sorry for this. I just take the proper value. Okay, I need to take the same value here, 550, and here also 550. So here we are learning which concept? Sine wave array. Okay, incomplete input. Okay, what is the mistake here? So here I have modified from 10, 100 to 550. You can see the graph got plotted. Okay, here we have used how to plot the sine wave using NumPy. Next example, bar chart with NumPy. Same concept, we are just plotting plot.bar. In previous case, plot.plot, Okay, here sine wave is there. So plot dot bar. Here you see in NumPy array, okay, we are specifying only y-axis. So what is about x-axis? This is 0 index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index. That's why here 0 index, 1 index, second, third, fourth. You can consider these as the marks of physics subjects. So I make the changes to verify the output, okay, and see the graph get changed. Okay. Array of how many elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So specify number of elements as 6, and you can see np dot arrange 0 to 6 and the respective graph change. Okay. Next, histogram. You can put plot histogram with random data. So np dot random is the function which generates the random number with bins. Number of bins are 30. You can see a number of bins are 30, and just if you change it from 100 to 1000 to 500, then your graph got changed. And now check the number of bins from 30 to 20. Now you got the graph change. Okay. And next, so what we have learned? Plot dot histogram, plt dot histogram. Next. So here I have written the code using generate AI. I asked the Google Colab generate the code for 3 students. Take the input for physics marks, chemistry marks, math marks dynamically from the user. And you can see the output here. It has generated a beautiful chart. This is the physics in orange color, this graph, chemistry in green color, this is the graph, math in blue color. So in this way you can write the prompt. Next is scatter plot. Plot dot scatter. Here again we have generated random numbers, 50 random numbers. Okay, and this graph got plotted. If instead of 50, if I make it 10 and 10, okay, I will get the 10 outputs. Can you see this? So this is a scatter plot. So in this way we have learned how to plot. There are different types of plots. Again we revise. Scatter plot, then histogram plot, bar plot, sine wave plot, and line plot. Okay. So in next video we will see how to use pandas. Thank you.